Alright students, welcome to another class, English, and today we're doing expository writings. Now, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify and differentiate between the types of expository writing because there's quite a few, right? We would be able to discuss the paragraph that we'll be looking at today, the expository paragraph. You should be able to outline the main idea of the paragraph, also identify at least two parts of the paragraph structure. And finally, at the end of this lesson, I'm hoping that everybody should be able to write the paragraph for me, right? So, let's begin. What is expository writing? Right? Before we do anything, we must know what is expository writing. Yes, so expository writing is a style of compositions that exposes or it explains a topic using facts. Everything about this type of writing has to be truth. It has to be solid, concrete facts, right? These are not make-believe, we're not making up scenarios. We're saying if we see something and it is the color red, we're writing that it is red. We're not saying it's reddish in color, red, pink color, anything. We are saying exactly what is there. So whenever you hear the word expository writing, facts comes to mind and it is very detailed. Alright? So with me today, I have a teaching aid, an informational chart. And on it, we're going to explain. Now observe it for a while, for 2 minutes, sorry. And observe it, read it, try to understand it, and we'll have a discussion. Good. So our first type of expository writing we have there is the process type of expository writing. Now process type is like, for example, recipe books or manuals. Have you ever seen that before? Those are process writing. They focus more on topics that they use steps in making something, how the process of something is being fixed up, or for example, how to fry an egg. To write this type of writing, we have to do from step 1 till to the finish, right? Another one is the comparison and the compare and contrast, or the comparison and similarities. This is where you compare two things to each other. The other one we have is the cause and effect. These are like topics like flooding and volcanoes and climate changes, everything to do with how something is caused and the effects it has on people or the object or whatever the topic is focused on. That is cause and effect. The other one we have is problem and solution. For example, these are like shortage of textbooks or a noise complaint or things like that, right? Where there's a problem and it requires attention, it requires a solution. The other one that we're looking at here is descriptive, right? These expository writing is they're giving you details about an experience, about something. For example, chocolate chip cookies are one of the most popular desserts in the world. Now, these type of writings, these expository writings, they are going to tell you everything about this chocolate chip cookies, and all of it are true, right? Are facts. So, but today our main focus is on the process type of expository writing, right? So that's the first one. For example, like if we're frying an egg, the step-by-step process. That's the type of expository writing we're looking at. So, I'm hoping by now everybody is familiar with paragraph writing, right? Because at the end of this lesson, I want you to write a paragraph for me. So, the parts of expository writing. Now, we have a topic sentence, we have the body, and we have the conclusion. Now, if we're writing a paragraph, right, we'll have a topic sentence, but a body made up of sentences. How many sentences you need to write, that's what we're going to need. And the conclusion will be a final statement sentence. So, since we're doing paragraph writing, it involves sentences. If we were doing essays, then we would have made a topic paragraph, a paragraph that explains the topic, the body would be in paragraphs, and the conclusion would be a final paragraph. So you see the structure, how everything is going. When we do expository writing, we need a topic, the body, and the conclusion. After reading the example, we were able to tell that we were able to see that there's a topic, there's a body, and there's a conclusion. Now, our topic sentence, who can tell me which was our topic sentence? And how far our body begins and where it ends? And what was the conclusion sentence, right? So, very good, we have the first, our topic sentence here was, chocolate cake with vanilla almond frosting provides tasty treat for any occasion, right? That was our topic sentence, and that is what have us hooked. We're hooked now to know more. We want to know more. What is about this chocolate cake? What about this almond frosting? It left us with questions that will be answered in the body, right? And the body started from follow the directions from making any flavor chocolate cake up to the last sentence in the body. After serving this dessert to your guests, they generally ask for the recipe for your chocolate vanilla almond cake, right? That is your body there. That's the end of your body. So between that space, there's how to make it, all the ingredients, all the timings for making it, everything about this chocolate cake was in the body. And our last concluding sentence was, now you have the opportunity to smile, right? That was the last thing. Even that has you hooked again in a way that you can go back to the top and read it back. you can now you have the opportunity to smile. I want to know how. Oh, the chocolate cake. And you can read it over and over, and it gives you a complete thought. It is talking about chocolate cake. The examples given, I want you to think about some examples of topics that we can write on, that you can be able to write on. Topics that you can be able to write the process type of expository writing that needs step-by-step process. So give me some examples. Alright, good. How to bake a cake. Very good. That's one. How to lose weight without losing your mind. Alright, that's a really good one. Okay, one more. We have 3 groups in our class, so each group is going to write on one topic. How to find the perfect roommate. Right? Wow, okay, these are some good ideas, topic ideas. So, in groups, the first, respectively, each group is going to write. So our first group is going to write how to bake a cake. Second group, how to lose weight without losing your mind. And third group, which is the last group, how to find the perfect roommate. 100 words, I want the paragraph in 100 words. Right? Remember your topic sentence, your body, and your concluding sentence. Those are the main points in your paragraph. Remember, it is detailed, it is step by step. Everything that deals with the topic, that is what you're putting there. Alright, by now I'm hoping that everybody is halfway or almost finished their paragraph. Very good for those persons who are finished. For the ones that are not finished yet, you will do it for homework. In fact, everybody will do it for homework, right? Always remember to look over your work. So, for this lesson, we have learned what expository writing is. A few types of expository writing. We have looked mainly at the process type of writing. We've looked at the structure of our paragraph and how we're writing our process type of writing. You've also had an example of one to follow from, which you have evaluated by writing one of your own, right? So, for homework, continue. Those who are not finished. Those who are finished, please look over your work. There may be a few things that you did not. So, is there any questions? Is there anything you don't understand? Please let me know. And we will also have a follow-up next week, another topic. But this will be a different type of expository writing. We're going to do the compare and contrast. So you'll have more practice on expository writings, right? So